Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin did experience a little bit of a sell-off where it actually broke the support at 104,000 and now consolidating just above 102. But this is going to be the buying opportunity that everyone is waiting for. Now keep in mind there is a little bit of uncertainty as selling from the whales is starting to increase. Let's just say the panic will settle. When the panic is going to calm down and everyone is going to be coming back into FOMO, you want to ensure that you position yourself properly so when the market climbs, you want to be the one to make the most profit. Now you guys know that Ethereum is outperforming quite well in the last 24 hours as compared to Bitcoin, but if you compare that to Solana has been doing some crazy numbers and it's going to carry on doing that. So that's why I want to show you guys a token that I have been paying attention to. It's called Solaxy. So it's pretty much Solana but layer 2. Solana's first layer 2 chain, infinite scale, best meme coin, multi-chain compatibility. So this is exactly what Solana needs. There is so many conjectures. There's also so many problems that Solana chains sometimes run into, especially relating to meme coin. When there is too much trading volume that comes in, sometimes we do experience a little bit of a crashing, and Solana did take a step forward from Ethereum, and this could be the step forward from Solana. Always do your own research. Nothing here is financial advice. At the end of the day, this is still a meme coin. Solana is the next evolution in the blockchain technology, designed to unlock the full potential of the Solana ecosystem, experience the unmatched scalability with a future-proof network built to refine the Solana's capabilities. Right now, this token is in a pre-sale stage. Just to give you perspective, the first time I talked about it, they had only raised about $2 million, and right now they've raised about 17. So if you just purchase it in the first go, you would have already 8x your money, just to give you perspective. And I don't think that's stopping anytime soon. This is just my personal opinion, as if you do decide to buy it right now, you can actually go ahead and stake it away for 236% per year return. And obviously as more and more people are going to be buying into it, and once the token launch is completed, obviously this rewards will come down. Now Solana or Solaxy is the next evolution in the layer 2 technology. They want to get rid of the network congestion, failed transactions, scalability limitations, and small ecosystem. They want to make Solana into a bigger thing. The utility is simple. Experience the seamless performance with our Solana layer 2 with speed and scalability and meme coin galaxy. Obviously, as you hear the term meme coin, people love to increase and pump up the price as much as possible. And dev updates on the 27th, on the 10th, and the 20th. So all of them are pretty much done, and there is going to be another one, and once after that the token is going to be going live. Talking about the tokenomics, 20% is to the treasury, 15% for marketing, 25% to rewards, 10% listing, and 30% to development to ensure that the token is going to be able to keep climbing over time. The Twitter already has a large amount of following, nearly 65,000, with their tweets actually getting a significant amount of attention. 460 or 480,000 views on this tweet, and this was the initial release of the token or the pre-sale. And their Telegram has about 5,000 subscribers, so over there they're also collecting a lot of people. Just to let you guys know, if you're interested in buying this, is actually very simple. You simply need to go to the description of this video. It will bring you to this page. From there you guys just click on buy with card or buy with crypto, and then you guys will just have to decide how much USDT you would like to exchange for SolX. And let me tell you one thing, the way everything is moving, I do see Solana becoming bigger, and this token is going to be doing wow. Another thing that's important is the team behind this token. They have actually released quite a few projects in the past, and they have done extremely well. They're still doing well, so that's why I personally feel like this token has a very good backup. But again, as I mentioned, this is no financial advice. It's your money, so you guys need to make your own decision. I'm just giving you my opinion in terms of what I expect from these tokens. And keep in mind, the capabilities that the token will bring to the overall concept is quite impressive. So if you do want to buy it, the link will be in the description. Right now the market is in a condition which will allow you to buy into your favorite coins, so make sure you make your decision properly, so when the market starts going explosive again, you are in the right position to be able to make the most money. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with more videos like this, you simply just need to subscribe as I upload them daily. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.